In this video, we're gonna solve a CAT question, a CAT probability question basically. So I'm taking this question from this channel called 2IIM CAT Preparation. It's a very good channel for solving CAT questions. So we're gonna look at two approaches how to solve this question. First my approach, then the sir's approach. Let's begin. So what's the question? You can, by the way, pause the video right now and try to solve this question yourself. I hope you have done that. Now let's solve the question. So in it says a boss decides to distribute rupees 2000 between two employees. He knows X deserves more than Y but does not know how much more. So basically X and Y are the two employees. So he decides to arbitrarily break rupees 2000 into two parts and give X the bigger part. What is the chance that X gets twice as much as Y or more? So here's the thing. So the boss has rupees 2000 and he wants to distribute this between X and Y. He thinks X deserves more money than Y, but he does not know how much more. So he says he just says कि I'll arbitrarily break 2000 rupees into two parts, and I'll give the bigger part to X. So we have to find the probability that what is the probability that X will end up with twice as much money as Y. So to solve this question, we can assume the boss wants to divide a chocolate stick between X and Y, and we have to find a probability that in how much time will X gets twice as much chocolate as Y. So the thing is, the chocolate can be broken from anywhere in any point. So let's assume there is a pointer stick, and wherever the pointer stick land, we'll break the chocolate from there. Now the pointer stick can land anywhere. Thing is, we need the scenario where the chocolate is broken into 2:1 ratio or greater than 2:1 ratio. So we can divide the chocolate into three parts, 1, 2, 3. That way, this is one part and this is two parts. So if we divide the chocolate here, it will be broken into exactly 2:1 ratio. Or if we divide the chocolate here, it will be broken into exactly 2:1 ratio. So if the pointer moves anywhere from here to here, the condition that the chocolate will be broken into greater than 2:1 ratio is satisfied. And if we move the pointer from anywhere from here to here, the condition that the chocolate gets broken up in greater than 2:1 ratio is satisfied. So these are our region of interest. So as you can notice, we have divided the chocolate into three equal parts. So this is part 1, this is part 1, this is part 1, and we are interested in this part and this part. So 2 is our part of interest and 3 are the total parts. So 2 by 3, that should be our probability of getting the chocolate. Let's see how Sir solves it.
More than 2000, then what is it? All values not matter. So X can.
So that's also an interesting approach. So basically, Sir puts up algebraic equation for the conditions given. So first condition is obviously that the total amount of money distributed between X and Y should be 2000. That is clear. Second thing, the region of interest is that X should get greater than equals to Y, 2 times the amount of Y gets. And this is the generic condition. This is the total chances, because no matter where the chocolate is broken, X will always end up between a figure between 1000 to 2000. Because the minimum X will get is 1000 and the maximum X can get is 2000. So this is the total case scenario, the total chances of what X can get, and this is the favorable scenario.
All values from then Y is greater than or equal.
So here, Sir puts this equation and this equation. They combine this equation and this equation, and we'll get the equality of X. So we can see the region of interest that we have is X should be greater than equals to 4000 by 3. So this is the region of interest. So Sir takes the region of interest that X should be greater than equal to 4000 by 3, and the total favorable condition for X is कि X will always get a chocolate between 1000 to 2000. So you know the favorable conditions and the total, and probability is always favorable by total. So this is the favorable condition. So favorable condition will have 2000 is the total amount of chocolate that is there, and X should be greater than equal to 4000 divided by 3. So 4000 divided by 3, this is the total number of favorable condition in for x, and if we divide it by this this amount, that x can only have 1000 to 2000 value, so 2000 minus 1000. So when we'll solve this, as you can see,
iteration stuff could be slight bit, right? 1000 by 3000.
so as you can see, sir has got the same equation, and you will solve it, you will again get 2 by 3. So that's the answer. So now you have two methods to solve the same question.